Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError bool object is not iterable. This error occurs when you try to iterate over a boolean value, which is not possible because booleans are not iterable objects. Here's an example of how you might get this error. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this kind of error. In this code snippet, we are trying to loop through the boolean value my_bool. But it is not possible to do so because booleans are not iterable. To fix this error, you need to make sure that you are iterating over an iterable object, such as a list or a tuple. If you intended to loop over a collection of boolean values, you might want to store them in a list or tuple first. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. In this code snippet, we have created a list of boolean values and are able to iterate over it without any errors. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you are facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.